After a long gestation period, the draft Kahnawake Cannabis Control Law has been released to the public for community feedback, which is a precursor to entering the community decision-making process. With federal legislation on the way to legalize recreational marijuana use, a Kahnawake-based law has been proposed to ensure that the community has control of its own destiny in this matter. And it's not a simple matter, which is why work has been underway in Kahnawake for well over a year. There are two main subject matters at play. Number one priority is to ensure the community's health and safety, which is the prime concern. But there are also potential economic possibilities to be considered. We spoke to three prominent members of the working group that was created to address the issues for their take on the proposed law.
The importance of having a cannabis law is to control and regulate. We don't want to see several shops popping up or factories around the community, which we have already experienced with the tobacco industry. So there is a good economic opportunity within the cannabis industry, but it needs to be closely regulated. And I don't think just allowing federal regulation into the community is what people want. They want a tighter law and tighter regulation, and it needs to be adapted, to the needs of our community. So rather than just live what federal government puts out, we're doing our own law.
As far as we're concerned, there are a lot of things that are still in question, but as far as I'm concerned, I really support strict regulations as far as cannabis is concerned.
Obviously, we feel that there's a fundamental concern where the use of cannabis or any other mind-altering substance goes against having a good mind and having a good intentions. At KSCS, we see the impact of that on a daily basis. Why people use could be a whole range of issues. Fundamentally, because it's being legalized, just like we do with alcohol, we're encouraging responsible use. And we do plan on providing additional education, information, awareness, prevention, promotion, sessions or workshops or whatever we could do to help educate our community the best way we can. But in the end, it's personal decisions. And we hope that community members use their best judgment when making these decisions.
The draft and all related documents can be viewed at KahnawakeMakingDecisions.com. We recommend that community members acquaint themselves with the draft in preparation for upcoming info sessions and later, the community decision-making process itself.